Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Anybody Can Be a Star on YouTube. And today's date is January 8th, in the year of perfect vision. My friend, Everett, of Everett's Workshop up in British Columbia, sent me a couple stickers. You see, nope, here. There. That one on the foam core, and this one goes in this Whitman sampler tin. I didn't show you, I forgot to show you in my Christmas carnage. So I take Everett's envelope, put the spare sticker in the envelope, in the box, until I have enough of them where I can redo that on door skin, right? And as for the extras, gotta figure things to slather them on. Backs of laptops. Well, that's, I mean, that's so simple. But, until that laptop dies, those stickers are proudly displayed for everyone looking at the back of that laptop. Anyway, I'm going to go now. I just wanted to show off that somebody sent me some stickers. Good night from California.